In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add copyright metadata to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put your copyright notice so it travels with your file and shows up in search results, document management systems, and file previews. We're doing this in Adobe Acrobat Pro, which gives you full access to a PDF's document properties and metadata. Start by opening your PDF in Acrobat Pro. With the file on screen, go to the File menu and choose Properties. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+D on Windows or CMD+D on a Mac. That opens the Document Properties window where you'll manage the embedded information that describes your file. Switch to the Description tab. This is where you'll see fields like title, author, subject, and keywords. Think of these as the identity card for your PDF. Enter a clear title that reflects what the document is, not just the file name. In the author field, add your name or your organization's name exactly as you want it to appear across your documents for consistent attribution. Subject is optional, but it's a good place to add a brief descriptor, a department, or a project name if that helps your workflow. In the keywords field, add your copyright statement so it becomes part of the file's searchable metadata. A simple professional format works well. For example, C. 2026, your name or company, all rights reserved. You can include additional keywords after that if you like, separated by commas, but keep the copyright notice up front so it's easy to spot. Consistency matters here. Use the same wording and year across related documents to make indexing and auditing easier. Once those fields look good, click OK to commit the changes. Now save the PDF to write the updated metadata into the file. A regular save is fine if you're creating a new version save, as with a clear version number can help with organization, but the key is that you save so the metadata is embedded. That's it. Your copyright information is now part of the PDF's metadata. Many operating systems, search tools, and asset libraries read these fields, which improves discovery and helps preserve attribution when the file is shared. Keep in mind, metadata is not a lock or a watermark. It doesn't stop copying, but it does clearly state ownership and usage rights. For a clean workflow, make this part of your final export checklist so every PDF leaves your hands with accurate, consistent details. If you ever need to update the year or wording, repeat these same steps and save again.